What's up, guys? It's the 24th of March, and today we called some panel beaters to come to the car, and yeah, they're doing the car and they want to put the fender in. So yeah. Alright, so in this episode we are continuing the rebuild of the Audi Q7. If you've been following from the beginning, you already know this car needed a lot of work. We've already sorted out things like suspension strut and the steering knuckle. Now it's time to focus on the bodywork. So the panel beaters came through to help us with this part. We've actually worked with them before. The only difference is this time we're now documenting everything. Also, I couldn't really talk much. That's why I'm doing a voiceover right now. And they weren't too comfortable being recorded like that. So I just stayed back and let them do their thing. So here they started working on the door. You can see they're trying to get everything back in shape. This part takes patience because if alignment is off, the door won't close properly. From experience, this is something you don't want to rush. You can see how they're using the hammer to work the metal back into place. It's not just random hits. Every hit is controlled, of course. Even though he's hitting like I don't care about this car, but if you rush this part, you can actually make the damage worse. I won't lie, this looks simple, but it's actually not. At first, I thought they were just hitting the car, but it's their technique to it. This is one of the things you think you can do, but actually can't. Because this guy is actually opening the inside of the door to put something flat inside. Then he's gonna hit it. He's gonna hit it in the outside. So like, yo. Right here, they're welding the left side of the body. This section was damaged a lot, so they had to repair and reinforce it. You can see them welding this section back together. This is part of the car's body structure, so it needs to be strong. They opened it up earlier. Now they are sealing everything properly. Last video, when there was Malumi, I introduced him. Watch the last video. You saw that we opened up that part. Now we called in professionals to come do the work. This area also connects to the grounding point of the car. So now he's sealing up that part. So it's important that everything here is solid and fixed properly. This is actually one of the most important parts of the repair. If this isn't done properly, it can cause a problem later on. So he actually did it. See, like it's curved now, it's curved. Like I know there's bumps, but like it's better than before. And they're also gonna seal this up, they're gonna weld it. So yeah. An excuse, man. So let me at least give you all a better view of what he was doing here. Like you can see he's trying to make it straight, like also make it pop out, so it cannot be like I don't know what you call it, but like it shouldn't be in and out. All the points that are open, see, they should be open. And yeah, this is a close-up view, and he's gonna weld it after years. Gonna put that welding terminals. I know they look cooked right now. Yeah, it's been working for years. I'm sure it's older than me, but like yeah, this is the POV. This is his POV actually. Next, they moved on to the bonnet. It had some damage, so they had to open it up and prepare it properly. At this stage, they are not they're not finishing it yet. They're just getting everything ready for later. Right here, they're closing the bonnet back up. Earlier, they had to open it up and fix the damaged side. Now they're securing the outer layer back onto the frame. So as you can see, the bonnet was opened up into two sections, the outer skin and the inner frame. They fixed the damage and now they're closing it back together. You can see them carefully hammering it back into place. Now he's using the chisel to cover the outer layer. Then yeah, they want to put some body filler, I think, and some paint. And yeah, that's a topic for another episode. Yeah, guys, they told me the word to say here. I said this is panel beating, so they panel beating this so it can become straight. And yeah, they also fixed the bonnet, and they did the door. They wanna put some body filler here, then they wanna paint it. So yeah, that's what we're doing so far. So I'll record when we're doing something different, but today that's all we're doing. And he still has to be here. After that, it was time to install the Fender that we bought. We were hoping that everything lines up properly. You can see here they are positioning it carefully, I mean. Okay, I don't know why he's banging it in, but it's all part of the alignment. They've done it before, so I guess you have to trust the process, because he's just gonna hit it, then it's gonna line up carefully. So this part is all about alignment. If it's off, it affects everything. So I think there's something they have to fix again. They have to hit something else again, then they're gonna put it back in. Yeah, so guys, I'm currently doing the end of the vlog here in the bathroom because I'm not really used to YouTube. Yeah, I'm still getting used to it. I'm not used to talking near other people. You see, most of the time when I talk when I'm alone. So yeah, it's something that I'm gonna get used to. But now it's the end of the day, it's at night. I don't know if you can see outside. Yeah, it's at night. So yeah, let me show you the car, and it's the end of the vlog. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.
Opportunities comes once in
So yeah, we have a new light. So when we put back this bumper and put on the two lights, then yeah, the car will be most likely complete. See, the only missing missing thing is, yeah, the only missing part is the car starting. See, it's the car starting. So far the car is still not starting. Yeah. So step number one is almost done. Step number one was getting the car to start, but it ended up not starting again. So step number one is now fixing this part of the car, which is almost done. Second step, putting back the wheel. Oh, step number two was fixing this bench part inside. This one. So yeah, step number one almost done. Step number two is done. Step number three, put back the wheel. Step number four is getting the car to start. And yeah, we done. So yeah, that's it for today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.